Could the future of automation and artificial intelligence mean a world where humans no longer need to perform mundane tasks? A world where machines intelligently take over and streamline processes to make lives more efficient? A world where productivity soars and errors dwindle to a mere fraction? Welcome to the fascinating realm of AI-driven automation, where these seemingly futuristic concepts are becoming today's reality. To comprehend the potential of this technology, imagine a smart home where devices communicate with each other, learning from patterns and making decisions to enhance comfort, security, and efficiency. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Now how about creating such a project? First things first, define the problem. What mundane task do you want to automate? Perhaps it's adjusting the thermostat, or maybe it's turning off lights when no one is in the room. The possibilities are endless. The second step involves selecting the right tools. For a beginner, Python is an excellent programming language to start with due to its simplicity. You'll also need an AI platform like TensorFlow or IBM Watson, which can provide the machine learning capabilities. Next, you'll need to collect and prepare data. AI thrives on data. It learns from it, it adapts to it. So gather as much relevant data as you can, whether it's the average room temperature or the times when the lights are usually on. Following this, it's time to train your AI model. Feed it the data and let it learn. This process involves a lot of trial and error, so patience is key. Once your model is trained, integrate it with your automation system. This is where the magic happens. Your system starts learning, adapting, and making decisions based on the AI model. Finally, test and refine your system. Make sure it's doing what you intended it to do. If not, go back, tweak your model, and try again. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to building your own AI-driven automation project. To recap, the journey begins by defining the problem you want to solve. Then select the right tools and gather relevant data. Train your AI model, integrate it with your automation system, and finally, test and refine your system until it performs to your satisfaction. The future of automation and AI is not just about robots in factories or sophisticated manufacturing processes. It's about creating smart environments that learn, adapt, and make decisions to enhance our lives. It's about stepping out of the realm of mundane tasks and stepping into a world of efficiency and productivity. This is the world we're moving towards, a world where automation, powered by AI, is the norm rather than the exception. A world where the question isn't, can we automate this, but how can we automate this better? So are you ready to embrace this world and create your own AI-driven automation project? The future awaits.